Hi, I've just popped into B&Q and their promotion ends are loaded right now. So I'm going to show you the top 10 best-selling plants you need to buy before they sell out, including one that smells of chocolate. So let's go and have a look and see. So first we have the Cosmos Cherry Chocolate, and it literally smells of chocolate. So this flower won second place for Plant of the Year at the Chelsea Flower Show. And what a stunning colour this Cosmos is. So number 2 is the Panicled Hydrangea, the ultimate colour changing shrub. Unlike the moped hydrangeas, these are a massive cone shaped flower. They start creamy white and gradually blush to a deep raspberry pink as the summer fades. So number 3 is the Dahlia. This is the ultimate late summer show off. Dahlias are actually native to Mexico, and the Aztecs originally grew them as a food crop for their edible potato-like tubers rather than for their flowers. So number 4 is the Salvia. This is nature's premium bee magnet. Salvias are in the mint family. If you gently pinch the leaves, they release an aromatic herbal scent which nature deters garden pests while drawing in the pollinators. So number 5 is the Fuchsia. This is the hanging basket ballerinas. Fuchsia flowers look just as tiny, colourful dancers in tutus. Because they're highly shade tolerant, they are the single best way to bring bright, dripping colour to a gloomy north-facing UK garden. Number 6 is Coleus. This is Miami Magic and Port Fairy, neon foliage that rivals any flower. Pinch off the tiny blue flower spikes. This forces the plant to put all its energy back into making those gorgeous, fairy pink and cream leaves even thicker. Number 7 is Jasmine, the queen of night scents. Jasmine's sweet fragrance actually intensifies at dusk. It's a perfect patio climber to plant right next to outdoor seating for warm summer evenings. Number 8 is Celosia, the wallflower or coxcomb. With bizarre flame plumes or coral-like ridges, Celosias look almost artificial. They're native to the tropics, meaning they absolutely love hot, direct sun with the hold the neon colours all summer. Number 9 is geraniums, or the pelargonians. These are the drought-busting survivor. These are ultimate low-maintenance plants. They store their water in their thick, fleshy stems, making them incredibly forgiving if you forget to water your window boxes during a busy week. Number 10 is the Canna Bronze Scarlet, high contrast tropical drama. This plant brings instant holiday vibes. The dark metallic bronze purple leaves create a dramatic, moody backdrop that makes neon scarlet flowers look like they're glowing. And number 11 is the evergreen backup singer. While all the other flowers, dramatic summer flowers on this list, will die back in the winter, this tough structural shrub keeps its bright variegated golden leaves all year round, keeping the garden alive in January. So let me know in the comments, what's your favourite plant out of all these? Let me know, send me a comment. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. And check this video out here. This will be the latest video that YouTube will think you'll want to watch. Cheers for now.